let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being here today. Maybe you're new, and if you are, thank you as well. On my channel, we like to film all things cleaning, cooking, baking, homemaking, and lifestyle. So if that's something that you're interested in, then please consider hitting that subscribe button. My goal on this channel is not only to give you motivation with all of these daily tasks that we have constantly floating around, whether we're stay-at-home moms or working moms, whatever the case may be, and even dads, just to know that you're not alone and to find joy and beauty in taking care of all of the things that we own. So that's a little bit more about my channel. I do have a 2.5-year-old daughter. I live at home with her, my husband, and our 9-year-old Morky Princess, which every time I say Princess's age, I cannot believe that is how old she is. But without further ado, let's dive into today's video because I can be a little bit chatty. Okay, so this is a little bit random, but this toilet bowl cleaner, you need it in your life. If you have a Shaw's, you need to get their brand. It's the signature brand toilet bowl cleaner. I got it because we just needed some, and I thought it would be easier to add it to our grocery order instead of running out to Walmart, which they always have great prices, but this was just for convenience. That's why I chose the Shaw's brand. And I will be using it moving forward because it smells so good, you guys. I'm sorry. I know some people, I don't know what chemicals are in it, but it smells amazing. I don't notice that with the regular Lysol bleach cleaner that I use, the toilet bowl one. So definitely, if you have a Shaw's, try out this toilet bowl cleaner and let me know what you think because it smells really divine. We're already a couple minutes into our video today, and I haven't even asked you guys what your plans are for the Thanksgiving holiday. So let me know, leave a comment down below. What are your plans for Thanksgiving? The reason I'm actually cleaning and taking you guys along today is because I have a little bit of a to-do list and some cleaning to do right before the holiday. So I wanted to just film this and give you guys some extra motivation for anything that you need to do, whether you are hosting or whether you're even going away and you just want to come back to a clean home. I don't know about you guys, but we get our Christmas tree the day after Thanksgiving. So I feel like we go into full-blown Christmas mode right after the Thanksgiving holiday. So it's just nice to have a clean space to be able to then go do some holiday activities and come home to and snuggle up and watch a cozy movie or whatever, whatever floats your boat for the holiday season. I also want to take this time to encourage you, if there is an area in your home that you have been meaning to get to that is in the back of your mind, such as this cabinet in our half bath, I really want to encourage you to do it, guys, because it took me probably less than 10 minutes, not even, to go through this cabinet. And look at that. I have more room to stock extra toilet paper. I have room on the side to put whatever I need. And I also was able to move all of the sunscreen, check if it was expired as well, and move it upstairs for next year. So every time I open that cabinet, I look at that sunscreen and how it's cluttered in there. I had 2 paper towel rolls that had 1 or 2 paper towels left from cleaning. So I was able to utilize those as well. But just use this as your time. Pick one area, one drawer, whether you do it today with me or if you want to do it later in the week. It's not going to take you as long as you're thinking, and it felt so good. I already did our master linen closet. I didn't film that, and I went through that cabinet, and I have a couple more areas. If you guys would like to see, comment down below because we just kind of need some refreshing in here, especially in our kitchen. So I think I might take you guys along for a little kitchen video soon, but I just wanted to tell you it doesn't take as long, and you can do this, and you're going to feel so much better. Having a clean home helps with your mind so much, and sometimes I feel like I know things can get chaotic, but it really is worth taking the additional extra couple minutes to tidy up your space. So as I mentioned, I do have a couple video ideas up my sleeve. Sometimes I get so many ideas that, not that it gets overwhelming, but I just think like from a perspective of like a viewer, from a viewer's perspective, what would that look like? Would you guys like to see it? So like I said, I do have I think I'm gonna do a full-blown kitchen video coming soon with organization, wiping down the cabinets, going through everything. That would feel really good. And there's a lot of places in our kitchen that I literally open the Lazy Susan, or I open a cabinet, and every time I open it, at least 9 times out of 10, you guys, I'm thinking about how I need to go through this and like give it a good wipe down. So that video is probably coming soon. I also wanted to ask you guys, because I'm not sure how I feel about it. I'm not sure if it gives me the ick. I love talking about, well, to an extent, obviously, right? Like, I really enjoy talking about like money, budget saving tips, stuff like that. But I was thinking, I don't know if it'd be helpful or if it would give me the ick, because that's not my intention at all, about sharing like, you know, what we got our toddler for Christmas. But I also have a tip that if you start now, today, like when you see this video, it can help you for Christmas next year in a way that I feel like more people should do this. That way, when the holiday season rolls around, it's not as stressful. So I'm kind of back and forth. I feel like I went a little crazy this year. Our daughter's almost going to be 3, and you guys know I mentioned this, and I hate that I keep mentioning it, but it is a big part of my life. And thank you so much for your sweet comments. But with some health stuff that has been going on, I don't know what our future is going to look like. I also had hyperemesis gravidum with my daughter, so sometimes I think about filming a video about that. I know it's not totally in my niche on my channel, but if there's any other mamas out there, to just know that you're not crazy and you're not alone. It's very real and very scary. But anyway, so with my health issues, moral of the story is that I don't know what our future holds, whether we're going to have more children or not. So we had a budget for Christmas gifts, and let me know, would you guys like to see that? Yes or no? I'm on the fence. I don't know if it's really something I want to put on my channel, but if it could help people, and with the budget saving tip, that's just my jam. And yes, guys, we had nachos. This is a super easy dinner. We did ground turkey, and leading up to Thanksgiving, I know it's not the healthiest. I know some people might come for us, but we're real here. We're honest. Like, yes, we drink Coke Zeros. Yes, we have nachos for dinner, which actually I haven't made that in months, but still, it's an easy dinner. We use ground turkey. I also added Worcestershire sauce, as well as like some hamburger seasoning, and they were so good, you guys. So yeah, just a quick little dinner idea I wanted to throw in there. Sorry to be a little bit rambly, but we are getting some laundry done. Like, how lucky are we to have clean clothes, like money to afford clothes? I'm not a big clothes person, you guys will notice. Like, sometimes when I film videos, I'm always in sweats, and it's hard not to get in your head. Like in this video, I just felt like, I don't know, I get in my head about like my clothes or outfits, but at the same time, I'm just like, Ashley, like, this is who you are, and you don't need to go buy a new wardrobe to film videos. So random, honest, vulnerable thought, like, it happens to the best of us, but also I just want to stay true to myself. So I wish I had a cute Christmas sweater that I could film, or, you know, whatever the case may be, but I'm not super big into consumerism. But like I said, sometimes it does creep into my mind. So if that ever happens to you, just know you are not alone. But I don't really need anything else. So yeah, very rambly, very chatty. I'm going to let some music play, but thank you guys for letting me just kind of chat and be myself on here.
Christmas memories.
If you made it this far in today's video, I just wanted to say thank you for being here. If you haven't already, please consider hitting that subscribe button. I would love to have you join our little community. We just hit 900 subscribers. Thank you guys. It means a lot to me. It's hard because it's not about the number, but the growth, it means a lot to me, and to have people there commenting and supporting. If we could reach 1,000 just to see that number, It would just be really special. But it's funny because it's like I don't put value in it, but like with the work, I do to an extent. But I always want to just remain true to myself on my channel. So either way, thank you guys so much for being here. I will catch you in my next video. Bye, guys.